Inside the calendar, you have a few yearly pages. The first one, the 2022 calendar, is right here, accessible from the first icon. And it includes links to the weekly pages and to the daily pages. It also includes links to 3-month, 6-month, 9-month, and end of year review pages. Use this page to capture the most essential events throughout the year. For example, in my case, I like to capture the no work weeks or vacations, the courses I have throughout this year, some important stuff like our house permits and building, and the health check schedule. I use this for different things every single year, so in order to always know how I use it, I'm using a small legend here on the bottom of the screen that will tell me exactly what the notes are about. This page is followed by another 2 pages or 1 page depending on the model of the planner. This is the 2022 overview. I, however, replaced that title with the 2022 birthdays because that's how I'm going to use these pages for. You see, 2022 overview. Let's go back and leave it like it is. These pages have links to the weekly view pages, and I have used these 2 pages for birthdays, and again I have used a small legend here showing me which of the event has passed or which one is following, and also if I have bought any gifts or if I have to still buy those gifts, you see, like this. Now let's go back to the 2022 calendar because I want to show you how to reach the other yearly pages. Click on End of the Year Review and you will get to the page where you can review the full year. From this page, you can see other 2022 yearly pages for money, tracker, wins, and of course the review. So money is this one. Tracker is this one, wins, and back to the review. Still from this page, you can access the 3 months, 6 months, 9 months review pages, just like you can do it from this area of the 2022 calendar page. If you need more yearly pages, you can add more after this page or after these pages that are dedicated for different categories, and you can take those built-in page templates from the extra section. Just go ahead to those categories, find the proper template to use, and add it after those available pages.